Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you use your Element TV without remote. So here's a guide for your control panel, app, and universal remote and few tips on it. Step 1. Use the TV buttons. Look along the back, side, or bottom of the TV for power, volume, channel, and menu buttons. Step 2. Use a phone app. If your Element TV is a smart TV, try its compatible remote app. Your phone and TV usually need to be on the same Wi Fi network. Step 3. Use a USB mouse or keyboard. Some Element smart TVs support USB devices for basic navigation. Step 4. Use a universal remote. Program a compatible universal remote using the Element TV code. Step 5. Use HDMI CEC. If a connected streaming device supports HDMI CEC, its remote may be able to control basic TV functions. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.